That's how high it is. It's gotta be 4.5 feet, 4 feet. Look at that. These are cars. I don't know how it happened, but we got lucky on this side.
Oh, yeah.
I felt guilty. I went across the street, dug out my neighbor. Hi, go ahead. I'll take.
Are you videoing?
I am. Come on, you could be a YouTube star.
Oh God. Are you? I hope it's not going on American Funny.
No, it isn't. Unless you do something American funny. Ha ha. He's good. He could do it. If he has to slide down, just slide down, he will. Ready, go. Dive on it and go. All right, go. Go. Awesome. They're having a ball.
We found our car.
Did you?
Yeah.
Good. Make sure. Get somebody else to shovel it out. There's kids walking around here. Just wait by your car. They'll be around. Yeah. I didn't see it, but I got it. How's your face? All right. It's great. We were following the pigeons. My neighbor's got pigeons.
Did you get them though?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, cool.
Oh, they'll be circling around here, then he'll be up there. There they are right there. Then he'll put his hand out and they'll all come in.
Oh, yeah?
Every night he does it.
Wow.
They're like the New York homing pigeon. Watch them. They'll all come around. Then there'll be like another 30 or 40 that'll go with it.
Yeah.
And the guy will do this, like a figure eight with his hand. And they'll fly in a figure eight.
Really?
He's up on one of these roofs. I think he's up there.
Yeah. Makes
But
sense.
they have heat. The guy had pigeons. pretty cool because it's amazing what they do.
Yeah, it is. Just goes to show you that little brain's pretty good.
Pigeon brain.
It gives me hope, right?
Hey, you know, I'm part French. I hear they're good eating.
Yeah.
Swab.
Tastes like chicken, blue tastes like duck.
Go. Awesome.
It's foot falling.
I know, you got to put more snow on it. There they are. Coming around.
Emma, I could say it like do not go fishing. I had considered it on back and I
You're the strong one. You're supposed to be pulling her.